Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. You know how we do. If you have not subscribed, please do go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well. Hit the notification bell so with that you'll be the first when I have a new video on my channel. With that being said, thank you. Hey baby girls, hey bulls, she's feeling herself. Check my lip with the tight, so you already know what this rumbling all about. No long talking, guys. Today I'm going to be coming up to you with a liquid lipstick swatch review slash first impression. How does she feel about it? My honest opinion. Let me speed out it here. If you're interested, you want to see all the liquid lipstick that I got, you don't know what to do, just come and enjoy. And be sure to grab a glass of water so you can chill with this video, because this is going to be exciting, to be bam bam boo bash. Okay, so guys, today I'm coming up to you with a Beauty Glazed liquid lipstick. This is how it looks like. This is the packaging, but I already removed it. We no longer need it anymore. This is the baby girls. This is how they looks like. These are the baby girls. What more do you ask for? The packaging is beautiful, regular packaging, nothing so special. I just love the fact that the bottle is not super large, so you don't have a problem when you travel friendly liquid lipstick each situation. I love the shade as well, that is not too much, you know. I love the fact that it has this kind of a golden cover. Right here. Okay, this is going to be the maybe I might try this, but let's see. This is a very beautiful color. I love this color a lot. It's very beautiful, dark peachy color. This color are my favorite. These two shades right here, they are my favorite. On the body, kissing. So when you apply liquid lipstick on your lips, so you need to kiss someone. Kiss someone that you know you cherish a lot, you love, not just anybody, okay? Because you cannot take a breath of everybody, period. Firstly, I'm just going to start swatching this red one right here, and we have everything coming out. That was loud, I'm sorry about that. The one I'm going to leave on my lips is going to be the last one that I will apply. If I don't remember to put it on the screen, please check the description box. It's going to be right there. Definitely go ahead and swatch this color right here. And this one I'm going to be swatching is Leo. Firstly, just smell like chocolate, guys. Remind me of something. You don't want to know what she have on her head. You don't want to know what mama thinking right now. I'm telling you, I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking about, like seriously. Smell like something familiar smell. Anyways, let me not be too carried away. Let me just swatch it at the back of my hand. Let me start from here. Okay, it feels a little bit sheer on my skin. I'm not having that full coverage. It's feeling sheer, so I guess I had to apply more. On my lips if I want to have that boomy coverage from this color. And this one is called Crystal. Yeah, let me just try it. How does it smell? It smells half chocolate, half strawberry. My nose is very sensitive, trust me. Strawberry slash chocolate. The same feeling. It feels very light. There are some kind of liquid lipstick that you apply on your skin or your lips. It feels super heavy. I think so. This is how it looks like. Let me come closer so you guys can see what I mean. You see how it looks like. It feels sheer when you apply it on your skin. It has a lot of coverage. As you can see. Okay. How does it smell? This smells like this smells like chocolate, but that black chocolate. So you're a chocolate junkie, you know what I'm talking about. I love chocolate. Smells like black chocolate. Yeah. With this, I'm going to need maybe 2 layers or 3 layers, then I can have that coverage that I want. So let me try this one. This one is called Candy K. Candy K. How does it smell? This one has entire different smells. How does this smell? How does this smell? Do you know how this smells? It smells very light, like a nail polish. I'm sorry, this is what my nose is telling me. Okay, this is the smell she perceives, and this is what she's telling me. It smells like an nail polish. Nail polish. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this shade. I must say, I'm not a fan of this shade right here. I'm not a fan at all. But I can manipulate it. Maybe I can combine these 2 shades together. This one will be my lip liner, and this will be the middle color, this one right here. But just to wear this alone, I don't think I can do that, because it's not really my shade, even if it is nude, but it's not really my shade. But other than that, it feels the same like the other ones on my skin. The other one, and this one is called Exposed. How does it smell? There's one ice cream I normally eat in summer. It's called Twinnie. This is how it smells. Twinnie. If you live in Austria, or if you live in Germany, you know what I'm talking about. It smells like Twinnie ice cream. This is the smell of Twinnie. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I can tell you all the smell, how they smell. Okay. This is a very bright peachy color. Very bright peachy color. You are going to be needing a dark lip liner for this one, and it feels the same like the other one. Yeah, and you are going to need maybe 4 or 5 layers for this, because when you apply it on your lips, it's going to, maybe when you apply this on your lips, you're going to massage your lips together, and then it's going to disappear. So you need 5 layers. So at the end of the day, you are going to end up cleaning your lips, so that you don't have lipstick on your teeth, because this kind of lipstick, this kind of shade, when you apply it on your lips, of course you have a product on your lips, but it will end up being around your lips. So when you don't wipe your lips, it's going to be cracky. Everything is just going to come and make a kind of a cracky lips at the middle of your lips or at the corner of your mouth. I know what I'm talking about. So when you're using this, make sure you take a tissue like this to wipe your lips, so that you don't have later cracky lips, you know. So yeah, be careful with this shade in case if you get this set. I'm just telling you. So right now I'm going to wipe this color off at the back of my hand, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply the last one line. I'm just going to line my lips around. I love the smell. I said it, baby girl. I said it. I said it. Believe me when I tell you something. She know what she talking about, baby girls. Mama got you. She got your back. She ain't gonna disappoint you. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I know the reason why I say this is my favorite color. No argument, baby girl. Just calm down and take a chill pill, okay? This one right here, she ain't go nowhere. She come to stay, okay? So, you need to wipe the middle. Okay, let me speed out the tea. She speed out the tea all the time, 247. The only problem, the only critique I have with this liquid lipstick right here, it's a little bit, just a little bit, little bit sticky. It's sticky. You can tell me nothing. She's feeling sticky on my lips, okay? Because my lips was already moisturized, pre-peel before I come on here on camera. Okay, I already work on my lips already. I have a bunch of liquid lipstick. I can tell you how they feels on my lips, if they are rich or if they are not rich. I will not use that word cheap. This one feels, it's not feeling rich. It looks super pretty on my lips, as you can see. This is what a brown skin girl needs. Are you a brown skin girl? Are you a brown skin girl? Don't sleep on this liquid lipstick right here. I'm just going to be taking this e.l.f. lip gloss, okay? Plumbing gloss, okay? And this one is in champagne glam, okay? Champagne glam. First time I'm trying their lippy, okay? And let me see how it feels on my lips, okay? Right here, this is just too dry and too sticky for my liking, so I just want to elevate it, and then let's see how it feels on my lips. This is not e.l.f. review. We are just doing a beauty glaze review right here, but I just had to include this, okay? Like I want to kiss, you know. My lips is just tickling me around. I don't know, but I think this is going to be perfect. Maybe I'm going to get more of this. I think they have more shades, but I just pick out this shade because it's a neutral. You guys know I love my neutral lip gloss.